What's up, guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and the last couple months I've been trying to put some effort into making small improvements to my rig, especially in the Roofnest Falcon, to get ready for some of my bigger camping trips coming up in the spring. And one of the big things that I've been focusing on is reducing the condensation up in the roof nest. One of the ways to decrease condensation in your tent is to increase that airflow that will help reduce the humidity that's coming from your breath and your body. I saw a post in the roof nest group, and a guy had used one of these fans. This is an AC Infinity fan. I think it's usually used to cool computers, and it's powered on USB. We thought we'd give it a try. We'll put a link to all the products we're using in the description below, and I'll also make sure to put a link to the Roofnest Flockers thread that has this original project idea in it. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and feel free to leave us any questions or comments that you might have. See way up in that peak up there? That orange triangle? Yeah. That's a vent, right? Yeah. And that's supposed to like limit condensation. Saw a guy on Facebook, he ordered this exact fan, USB powered fan, and I have USB power up there. Check it out. They use a heat gun and they put Velcro on here, and then put Velcro up on the tent, and then they could Velcro the fan on and then peel it off. Oh, okay. I thought that was a pretty good idea, but a guy further down in the thread said, why don't you use magnets? I was thinking about the Velcro, and I was like, man, if that stuff comes loose, this is going to fall right on my face. So once you have this fan going, though, it'll draw the air out and get all that condensation, all your sweat and breath and everything.
We'll pull a fart out?
Yeah, sure. I think so. Here, let's try it out real quick. It's got 3 speeds. There's a little controller here. High, medium, and low. Check it out. Check it out. It's not as much airflow as I thought it was going to be. But it's not. It's not bad, though. What I have in here are magnets. But these magnets are super strong. They got a hole in them. Now, these have screws, so I was going to take these screws out.
What if they aren't long enough?
Yeah, so I don't know how well the screws are going to work, but I was going to put a magnet right there. One on each corner. You can't do that. It'll make people throw up. So the magnet on the other side, these are going to be a pain in the butt to get off. So I was like, if I had a dowel, then on the outside of the tent, I've got these little wood dowels that are easy to pull off. So I just reach out, I pull the wood dowels off, take the fan down. So what do you think? Pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Putting these magnets on, and it's actually working out way better than I anticipated. It's kind of tough to get the screw out of this rubber. Just going to take one of my magnets, slide it off the top. And these screws that come with this fan, I'm a little surprised. I wasn't sure how well they were going to work, but they are tapered and fit perfectly into the magnet. Just going to go over here. Perfect, nice and snug. These aren't going anywhere. Take these dowels, screw some magnets to them so that these can click on like that. And the tent fabric will go in between it with the vent right there. So 2 definitely holds the weight of it. And they're not quite as tight as they are normally, just because the screws are holding them a little ways apart. Here's the fan with the magnet. Hold it right up here where the vent is. The guy who picked out this fan, I think he picked it out perfectly. It's hanging up there. I don't think it's going to fall down. I'm less worried about that falling on my face than the Velcro, I think. Feels pretty tight. Right, so open up the cord that I got here. It's a 10-footer, kind of fancy. I'm just gonna use some tape to glue that all the way down over to my power station. The fan is up there. I'm feeling like it's holding on pretty good, as long as you don't get the kind of the thick ridge of the fabric. I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Low, medium, high. Going to get some nice airflow through here. Certainly not pulling as much as I thought, but I think it's going to be plenty. All right, there you have it. One more condensation Roof Nest Upgrade.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.